Hey, what up guys? Jeff from TheFloatLife, and today is a very exciting day because you guys get to find out what the super secret prototype is we've been talking about for so long. Here it is. Drum roll please. 5-inch hub, baby. That's right. We took that 6.5-inch hub that was the total wrong direction to go for the hub, shrunk it down by 1.5 inches somehow. Mad genius. Robert Allen took care of it. He's a wild guy. But look at all this sidewall that we have right here. This thing rides like an absolute dream. We've been on it for weeks now. This is just the V1 prototype. We got the V2 showing up in a couple of days, but we got a solid squad around here. We got Dave Stewart, we got Austin Silva, we got Jamie over here. We got a whole crew of us just gonna send Sierra Sidewinder Trail and test this thing out. So it's gonna, yeah, that's Jamie. It's gonna be a wild one out here, so let's get it. You guys hear that? Dave just said he's never successfully landed this hit. This is my favorite hit on the whole entire trail right here. This thing's sick. It's a nice little ramp. You get a solid bonk off the top, and then the landing is directly into this giant piece of granite here, so you have to like skirt the landing super heavy. So this will be exciting if Dave can land it for the first time ever on the 5-incher. Where was the commitment, Dave?
I know, I jumped off.
You could even slow down a little bit. You don't need to go that fast.
You need to clear this.
You landed down there.
Did I?
Yeah, you went a little fast.
Thank you.
Probably dropped about 0.5 mile an hour. You'd be all right.
Yeah.
There you go! Nice. First time, Dave! Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
A little slappy, but
dude, that was smooth.
I'll take it. Yeah,
all right, man. So what do you think about the new 5-inch hub?
Oh, I love it. I just did a 180 there to turn around and come hit this, and oh, it's so much easier.
So much better, right?
And the landing, like the landings are so smooth.
Yeah. It's finally like the GT doesn't shock your whole body on the landings anymore.
Yeah, you have a nice little donut of air in there, and
yeah.
It feels good.
It's all that extra sidewall, baby.
I love it.
Is it gonna change the game?
Yeah, I think so.
Sick.
It makes total sense.
Jamie. Oh, you're gonna drop that?
Oh, he's got stuff eyed up. Look up there.
Maybe.
You gonna drop that?
I just gotta move this stick.
Yeah, here, we'll move whatever you need, dude. Jamie, this is fucked. You know that, right?
What? Looks good.
Oh my God, I'm voting for you at Rider of the Year Awards if you land this.
Drop it. Let's return it.
Little more backseat, you got it. Board still on? Hey, it didn't blow the bead. That's great news, right? It's great news. We didn't blow the bead yet. This is really, really product testing right here is what we're doing. We're putting it through the paces, really putting it through the ringer. You know, you can trust when you get your TheFloatLife products. We've extensively tested them. That was surprisingly close. You got one more, or you done?
Do one more.
All right. This is so dumb.
Jesus.
Bro, what are you doing landing straight-legged like that? That's how you lose both your knees. All right, that's enough of that.
I slipped.
You're cut off, bro. You're cut off.
Maybe
man.
next run. I got to ride a stock tire now?
Yeah.
Oh my God, at least he's got dubs on it.
I'ma do it anyway. Gonna beat up, want your bad love. I'ma let my hair down now. Wanna get down to my favorite sound. I'ma let you in real close. I know I shouldn't do this right. I'ma do it anyway. Kinda wanna lock this down. Gonna beat up, want your bad love.
such a great new setup. Check this out. These new hubs just provide you so much cushion, so floaty, so buttery. I mean, definitely take bigger drops, faster speeds, more carvability. Get more on that side tire, no problem. So stoked for it.
Good, thank you.
I feel like I'm higher up on the ground, but it feels like the hub is so far away you can just really lean as far as you want without worrying about sticks or rocks hitting the hub. Told Mercedes when she came down you were hiding up there, we should just take off. I need something like this.
Sweet. Yeah! Dude, that thing ate that landing up. Did you see it? It landed right on the root and it was fine.
Yo,
Oh, sick.
Dude.
how'd that feel on that tire? On the hub, actually.
On any larger hub, that thing would have just sent me.
You landed right
That
on the root
bunk?
and it just sucked it up.
But yeah, well, even on takeoff and the landing, there's no way I could have landed that on any other hub.
That's wild.
That was sick.
Dude.
I hope I wasn't in your
Okay.
shot. I really tried to like back off and not be, but I wanted that.
No, you're good.
Sure. Oh, through the chunk so easy. Nice little hit here. Ba-da. Woo!
Way back
All right, looks like we ran into the spot. So that's it, guys. That is the brand new 5-inch hub, prototype number 1. This thing's crazy. You heard from Austin, Jamie, Dave, me. Sick. You guys need one. Need one bad. So, stoked, super pumped on this. Can't wait to get it in your guys' hands. You're gonna be fired up too. Opens up a whole new suite of tires to us. So who's excited to figure out what's the best new 5-inch tire is gonna be? I know I am. Yo, leave a link down below in the comments what tire you guys are gonna ride on the 5-inch hub. Let me know. Float on, my friends.